the wheel, use a 22mm socket. Take the lug nuts off and pull the wheel off. Now you don't need to remove this sway bar link if you don't want to. You can just loosen it up, use a 14mm socket and a 14mm wrench and loosen this up. You don't have to take it off completely. It would make it easier, but you don't have to. Now I'm going to remove these two bolts, one on each side. Use a 10mm socket. Now I'm just going to use a pry bar and just pry this bracket off. And take the bushing off, just slide it to the side. Slide it off. Now take the new bushing, slide it over, and slide it down, slide it in position, slide the bracket on. And then it is definitely easier to have that link off. Then you can line these bolts up. So you can slide that back and forth. Get that started. And then use the other bolt, get that one started. And torque those bolts to 24 foot-pounds. And if you took the sway bar link out, you want to put that back in. And we'll tighten this down and torque that to 89 inch-pounds. Make sure you're on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. And install the wheel. And the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.